Okay, hello and welcome to the workshop on Itokawa and the dawn of asteroidal sample return. I'm Cyrena Goodrich of the Lunar and Planetary Institute, and I'd especially like to thank those of you who are joining us from distant time zones. So good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to all of you. We live in a very exciting time for asteroidal sample return with the recent amazing successes of the Hayabusa 2 mission, returning samples from asteroid Ryugu, and OSIRIS-REx returning samples from Bennu. And we thought this would be an opportune time to remind ourselves of the roots of these successes in the Hayabusa mission to Itokawa. Next slide, please. And how the success of the Hayabusa mission led to Hayabusa 2. Next slide, please. And then next slide to the success of OSIRIS-REx. We have a very interesting program of talks today about many aspects of the Hayabusa mission. But first, I'd like to introduce my co-convener, Dr. Tomoki Nakamura of Tohoku University. Dr. Nakamura worked on Hayabusa, Hayabusa 2, and is now working on the MMX mission, Mars Moon Exploration Mission. And he's now going to give a brief introduction on the importance of asteroidal sample return.